Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay. Today, this is a video that I normally don't do. This is something that I usually just post on Instagram. It's something that I signed up for way before I had a channel. And it took a while and it took a lot of work to get these type of boxes. It is from this brand called Influencer. These are free products for review. And this is something that I was interested in because I was always a girl that loved makeup, skincare, fashion, all that type of stuff. And when I moved to the United States, I found out about this company called Influencer. And they said you really don't need to be on the social networks to be able to do reviews. And you did reviews at that time directly on their platform. So what I ended up doing, and as you know with me, social media, I was getting new to that. I come from a world where I owned companies and businesses and things like that. And social media was not where I had time to visit or play or do any of that. So when I moved to the United States and I had access to all these things that were also new to me, and I have family now that spread throughout, this was an easy way for me to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, learn about social media and things like that. But during that Christmas, when I opened this up, this name on Influencer, I decided to do it under this brand, which is True Wants. And that's where these boxes come to. They know nothing about my YouTube channel, but they do know about my Instagram, which is where I post everything about this influencer. But this product that they gave me this time, I've shared with you once before about this because it doesn't cost anything to sign up for this. And if you enjoy doing reviews, it's one that I highly recommend because the products that you get are really, to me, good products. Some of them are high-end, some of them are drugstore. But for me, because I don't do a lot of the reviews on their platform, like I did when I first opened up the account, it was over Christmas and I literally spent like almost a whole week doing these reviews day after day after day because it takes a lot of time to do the reviews. Also, they send you down these surveys, I guess you can call them, that you answer a lot of questions and then they get back to you if they're going to send you something. Those surveys take a long time also, so I don't always, a lot of times I opt out. So a lot of times, even when I'm doing the survey, if it starts getting into things that I'm not planning on doing or I'm not interested in, I will opt out. So you always have the option that you can opt in or opt out and answer the surveys or don't answer the surveys. That's what I'm saying. So for me, you'll see these periodically on the channel here, but if I do get a box, I do share that always on Instagram. So that's why I always say it's important that you follow me on Instagram. Also, it's free, but I get to share a lot of other things through Instagram that I don't share on the channel here. All right. But the reason I'm sharing about this one today was this is what I used on my hair. And a lot of times you guys ask me, and I tell you all the time that I'm constantly trying new things in reference to my hair when I wash it, when I style it, things like that. But this one blew me away. And that's why I'm doing this video, because I want to share this with you, because to me, I tried to find this even on Loreal's website and I couldn't. So I don't know if this is something that is new, that they're having us review it because it's something that's new. But I'm telling you, when these are available in the store, these are absolutely home runs. And I'll give you a little bit about them and then my review on this. So like I said, I don't have to do this on YouTube. I'm doing this because I want to share with you guys about this product. So they sent these two huge tubes. One is the shampoo and one is the conditioner. And this one is called L'Oreal Paris EverPure Sulfate-Free Color Care System. It's a simply clean shampoo. It gently cleans, anti-fade, and UV filter with no harsh salts. And it says it has essential oils. This is 8.5 fluid ounces. And then on the back here, it says it's 100% free of sulfates and it's 100% free of any harsh salts. And it says escape with their cleansing ritual, Simply Clean by EverPure. It is their daily color care system that is thoughtfully formulated with non-stripping ingredients for beautiful looking colored hair every day. It's purely fragranced, which I didn't feel it had a fragrance at all, with a natural essential oil that leaves your hair and your mind feeling clean and renewed. Directions are simply to apply to wet hair, massage it into a thick lather from the roots to the ends, and rinse thoroughly, and then follow with the conditioner. It says it is luxuriously formulated for all hair types, straight or curly, and again, it's free of any sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrances, any dyes, and it's always vegan as well as color caring. And this is their purest respect for our hair because we're worth it. So those are the two products that I received in here. It gave me the most beautiful lather. I thought for sure, because it said it wasn't going to strip the color or any of those, you know, attributes that are in here, that it was going to strip my color for sure, number one. And number two, it was going to have a scent that to me, I wasn't going to enjoy. There was no scent in this at all. I made sure to only use the shampoo and the conditioner. I didn't use any of my leave-in conditioners. I didn't put any other products in my hair or anything. I did straighten my hair, but that is it. So I wanted to be able to take a little bit of time just to share with you about this. It is a nice thick type of, it's still wet from the shower, sorry guys. The formula in here is like this, but it definitely foamed up, I'm telling you, to thick foam. And I was not expecting that at all. I thought it was going to be more like, if you're familiar with When, and those are products that I used for a long time too, until I started to hear other things in the marketplace that a lot of girls are having trouble with hair fallout and things like that. So I have them, they're in the shower, but I don't use them religiously. And like I said, I'm constantly trying new products all the time. But this is one that I wanted to make sure to share with you guys because Loreal is a drugstore brand. And when I find phenomenal drugstore finds, especially for hair care, I definitely share them with you guys. I love a lot of products from Garnier from the drugstore, but this one really blew me away. I've tried other ones that I didn't like at all, and that's why I didn't sit down here to make a video and share it with you. But like I said, I share everything on my Instagram, so please follow me there. It's True Wants with the number 2. So this was the shampoo, thick lather. I did do 2. They say you only have to do 1. I always like to do 2. The reason I do is the first shampoo that I put in, I feel it's taking away all the other stuff that I've put in my hair throughout. And then the second one is actually getting deep into my scalp to clean everything out. And I color my hair, and this did not strip my color at all. And I was shocked. So to be able to get a drugstore product that does not strip the color out of my hair, to me is one that I'm going to sit down and tell you guys about on video. The next one in here was the conditioner. Again, there was no scent on this at all. The information that's on the back here is the same information that's on the back of this one, but I used this together. So I took a good amount of this, I put it from the roots to the end, and then I even put it, because it said that you could do it all the way from the roots to the end. But I always, when I put my conditioner on first, majority of it goes in the parts that are down here. I normally, with a lot of other conditioners, do not go all the way up to my roots, but this one said to do that. So what I did was I worked my way up, and then I use this comb type thing to comb everything through my hair. I then put it into a clip. It says to leave it in for 1 to 2 minutes. So then I do all my other shower cleaning. And then when I finish that, I then rinse everything out. And then I put it up into a towel. It dried normally, like everything that it would, how my normal hair would look. But when I took my hair down after blow drying and putting my curl, I used big Velcro curlers. And then I straightened my hair. Then I put these big Velcro curlers in just to give me a little bit of lift. I was shocked how beautiful my hair turned out because I didn't use any other products. All I used was this shampoo and this conditioner. So this is definitely one that I would recommend highly. And if this and when this becomes available, because I tried to look on everywhere for this and I couldn't find this. They were all other ones that said the same name, but they were all in different colors. They weren't in this white tubing. So once again, this is L'Oreal Paris EverPure Sulfate-Free Color Care System. And this is the simple conditioner. And then this is the other one that is the shampoo. And both of them are 8.5 fluid ounces. So wanted to share that with you guys. Please share with me in the comments down below if you are part of Influenster too, and if you've had any products that you would highly recommend that you've had the opportunity to try. But what's great about this Influencer, they just want your reviews. So if you like something or you don't like something, which I have in the past, and I wrote my honest reviews because that's what I do. I share honest reviews, be it if I get products or if I purchase them. So the fact that they just want to know the reviews, I think it's a fantastic organization. And like I said, I've left reviews that were not great based on products that I really didn't enjoy. And I'm still periodically getting boxes. So happy about that as well. So that's it for today, guys. Please, everybody, continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.